What's up, YouTube? For the Love Russell here again with an action figure toy review. This time we have Super7's Ultimates Silverhawks Steelheart. In my previous review, I reviewed Quicksilver, talked about all his pluses and minuses, all his weaknesses, and all his benefits. So if you're interested, you can go back to that video and give it a watch for me. Give me a rate and a comment and subscribe if you enjoy what you're watching. I'm trying to build my channel and do a little bit better each time. Maybe I'll do a giveaway of some kind in the eventuality that I get enough subscribers and my channel gets going. All right, now, this is what we're here about. Steelheart. Steelheart's packaging is standard. It doesn't come with a slipcover like the previous versions. Has the Steelheart on the bottom there, toy version, Silverhawks, bottom, legalese, top, Ultimates, nothing on the sides, and you have her bio here on the back. I'll bring it in so you can get a good look at it. And we're going to get her out of the packaging and go over her together and see what we can find. Okay, so we have Steelheart out of the packaging now. I didn't put the wings on her like Quicksilver. I figured we'd take a look at her without the wings, take a look at her arms and things. I went over periodically. I didn't notice any imperfections. Face paint is accurate and on point. I haven't swapped any hands or anything. Back looks good. As you can see, same thing with Quicksilver. Looking very nice. I like the purple. I actually like the purplish hue a little bit better than I like the silver. I mean, you know, silver always comes across a little bit better, but this is a very nice color. Arms and everything are moving. And what I didn't go over last time is I said that he came with 6 hands Quicksilver, but they actually come with 8. 2 fists are included with the open hands, the flying pose type hands, and the gripping hands. With the arms, with the wings. And I didn't spend a lot of time on the Hawks because they're not really all that articulated, but this time I'm going to take some time out and give you some articulation. Just their feet, and these wings are, I guess, no, they're not jointed at all. And neither were Tallyhawks. So just the feet move as the same, and it's the same with Tallyhawk. And this is Razor, her hawk. Okay, that's the bottom. No paint apps on here, just the eyes. See if we can get that to focus here. Some real tight focus there. Just the eyes are painted. You can see it just ever so slightly out of the camera. Have so many things in the background, it's hard for the camera to focus. But that's it, top, bottom, sides. Wings are a little flexible. Spot it? Okay, now, we all waited for the vac metal version, I'm sure. You know, I eventually will turn back around and get the other versions. Let's get her focus here. Very cute face sculpt, and she comes with 2 heads as well. Quicksilver came with a visor head, but he didn't come with another head. She comes with an alternative version here, which is a little more angrier, I guess you could say. Not bad. Looks pretty good. Nice little swoop in the hair and things. Yeah, and let's see if we can get them side by side. There you go. That's the difference. Very slight difference. Not all that major. So I'll probably put her in the same flight pose and get him on the stand. As you can see, I have Quicksilver in the background with his visor. And this is going to be a short video because I've went over the articulation, shoulders, a little bit of a bicep swivel on the unwinged arms, little hinge at the wrist, single jointed elbows, single jointed knees, and just a little bit of a pivot and turn at the ankles. Hips go out a little bit. There's a very nice body sculpt for a female, but that's about it for that. If you want to see a size comparison between her and Monstar over here, get her off to the side there. And there you go. That's about how big she is with Monstar. And I'm hoping they make the whole team. I hope they don't give up, you know, because of too many complaints and things. I don't have that many complaints. I knew that the VAC metal was a gamble. So I'm pretty accepting of, you know, what we got. As you can see, these heads don't want to stand up, so I'm just going to put them there like that. But yeah, I didn't show you the hands on the last go around, so this is one here. Standard hand fare. It's nothing all that special. But like I said, comes with 8 altogether. 4 right, 4 left, 4 plastic, painted. I don't believe these are VAC metal, but they may be. Yeah, it feels like they are. It feels like they're VAC metal. So 4 VAC metal hands and 4 plain painted. They're not like the arm here. They are molded plastic. I didn't mention that in the last video either. So as far as my thoughts, looking good so far. Like I said, Quicksilver seems to be holding up well after a little mishap. Nothing else to report as far as damage is concerned. So, you know, if you want to see, you know what? I'll do this on camera. I'll pop her arms off. Try to be ever so slightly, ever so gentle. Here, pop her arms off. Be very careful when you pop these arms off. They're in there pretty well, too. Let's see if I can get it out. I'll get it out off camera. There you go. And every time you take these arms out, understand that the VAC metal is going to come out. I tried to do it on camera for you, but the first time it didn't get any VAC metal to come out of there. But the second time it sure did. Roll those up gently and push those in. You should hear it snap. Let's lay her down for a second. Get this adjusted. Just that. Stick the arms in. Put that behind her. And we are going to get the flight pose hands. Here. And we are going to swap heads. I do have a little bit of I don't know if you can notice that on camera. See, a little bit of speckling. It's not scratches or anything, just a little bit of speckling. Hopefully you guys have better luck with your figures, because I'm seeming to having a lot of QC issues with mine. Yeah, but just a little bit of speckling on the wings. No scratches this time, though. I'm going to take her off camera and put her head on. And there she is in her flying pose. And arms are on. I don't notice any scuffage on the arm like I did on Quicksilver's arm. Just a little tiny bit of flesh was exposing the silver underneath. And that's it. And this is how she'll stand. Be in the pose. Let's see if I can get this set up here. Got a few extra seconds there. I'll have Quicksilver at the top eventually. Of course. All right. Just don't want to turn just right to get straight here. Okay. Let's rotate her up a little bit so you can take a look. And this is basically how the team will be set up for the most part. There you go. All right. So that's Quicksilver and Steelheart from the Super 7 Ultimates line, the VAC metal versions. Looking good so far. And as I said before, rate, comment, subscribe, and whatever you do, do it for the love. Thanks for watching.